Branding globalization. Guangdong area is moving towards a world-class urban agglomeration. NUOMI is rooting here and creating a new legend. The previous name of NUOMI is Xinchan Precision Mold Factory, which was established in 1993. When 2003, NUOMI brand was born. In 2021, the 100,000 square meters intelligent industrial park was put into production. Industry 4.0 Smart Production, International Quality Inspection Standards, Millimeter Level Precision Control Error, Intelligent Storage Area. 20 years experience achieve large scale and abundant strength. He is a founder and creator, deeply cultivating technology upgrades. From oneself concentration innovation to team thinking collision. Strong R&D capabilities makes NUOMI become leading brand of industry. Advanced technical support drives NUOMI to be the industry standard setter. As is a pioneer, creating precedent for the industry. Propose the whole house hardware ecological chain product concept. With same style, same color, same quality, same brand concept. Leading the industry in both quality and aesthetics. We focus in hardware and a visionary to expand the kitchen storage solutions. Wardrobe storage solutions. Furniture motion hardware. Aluminum application. Kitchen sink. Smart lighting. Six product systems to realize full coverage of customized hardware products. Selling network has covered over 38 countries and regions around the world. Born in a world-class Bay Area, growing up in the era of globalized economic development, favorable timing, geographical and human conditions help NUOMI compete for the world's first-class brand of customized home hardware. Focus on high-end hardware customization. Become an international century-old enterprise.